Use a voice changer in Roblox VC on Xbox. Xbox has no software voice changer. The console won't let you install one, and there's no in-game setting for it. The only way to change your voice on Roblox for Xbox is with hardware sitting between your mic and the controller, and even that has clear limits. Complete the age check first. Voice chat on Roblox requires a completed age check and an account of 13 or older. Without it, there's nothing for a voice changer to modify. Turn voice chat on. Enable voice in your Roblox settings, then connect using the headphone icon inside an experience whose developer has enabled voice chat. Confirm the console side works. Check that your headset is recognized in Xbox settings, general, volume and audio output, and that party chat or game chat picks up your normal voice. Choose a hardware voice changer. Look for a small inline device or a mixer audio interface that supports pitch or effect processing and outputs a standard 3.5mm signal. Check the connection type before buying. The unit must fit the Xbox controller's 3.5mm headset jack or connect through a USB audio adapter the console actually supports. Many PC-only USB devices will not work. Wire it in the right order. Plug your headset's microphone into the voice changer's input, then run the device's output into the controller jack so the processed signal is what the console sends. Set levels and test in a party. Join an Xbox party chat with a friend and adjust the effect strength and mic volume there since it's easier to troubleshoot than a live Roblox server. Join Roblox and check in-game. Enter a voice-enabled experience, speak briefly, and lower the effect if your words are distorted or the volume drops. Tip: the most common mistake is following PC tutorials on console. Virtual microphone software simply cannot be installed on Xbox, so any video promising a free app-based method is either wrong or aimed at PC. Also keep in mind that Roblox moderates voice chat. An altered voice offers no anonymity, and using one to harass others or pose as a different age can get your account banned.